everyone, it's Hayley from Large Family Fire here. I'm just going to be doing our February net worth update. So we started the year at a net worth of $243,507.79. In January that did dip down because we took out a loan for a caravan, and it has gone up but not back to the January figure yet. It's because there's a difference between how much our caravan loan is and the value of the caravan that we've bought, because we use some loan funds for some other things as well. So we're now at $234,518.46 net worth. Our goal eventually is $2 million net worth, and hopefully that is mostly in income producing assets. Obviously we're not going to get to that this year unless I win the lotto. But you can see here, we started up here, dipped down, and slowly coming back up. So maybe in the next month or two we will exceed that original starting net worth for the year. So our assets distribution, we have 0.5% in cash and bank accounts, investments 35%, properties 12.7%, and other assets, which is our vehicles, caravan and trailer, 51.8%. So obviously that's not an asset category that I would like to have the bulk of our assets in. I'd rather that in cash, property and investments, but the distribution will slowly change over the course of time as we have more income producing assets. Now our liabilities, we have 5.2% is short-term debt and 94.8% is long-term debt, and that is our larger personal loans, HEX debt, and our land loan, which is also a personal loan. So overall this year we've had minus $8,989.33 net worth growth, so negative growth, but we will see an increase to our net worth again next month, all being well, unless the stock market crashes and our superannuation values go down, which, you know, it might happen. But for now, that's how it's playing out this month, and hopefully in March it will increase again. In regards to our investments, most of it is superannuation to myself, my husband and his other secondary superannuation account, and we've got our share portfolio, which is only very minuscule at the moment, and our share funding account I class as investments as well, because that money will be allocated to investments. So that's about it. Our property value I haven't updated because there haven't been any sold properties in our area that are like ours since the last one, so I've kept that the same. I did increase the value of the caravan because for our vehicles I used the insured value. So we bought it for $26,000, but it's currently insured for $35,000. So I've put in that figure for this month, and yeah, everything else there remained the same. So hopefully next month we see an increase to our savings and investments, and a decrease to our debt, which will help close that gap for our reduction in net worth since the start of the year. So thanks so much for watching this very short video. If you would like to see a copy of this spreadsheet to purchase it, I am an affiliate for Coplenty. You can use my code Hayley10 for a discount. This is part of the Budget 2.0 tracker. It's the advanced budget. They also have a basic one as well, and I'm loving it so far. So I'll pop the link in the video description. And of course, if you like this video and you want to see our monthly net worth updates, feel free to hit subscribe, like this, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks so much. You have a great day.